In this video, I'm going to be using my Trade Command Quant Engine to take 5 and 15-minute trades on my pocket option trading account. Gushmit here, and I'm back with a new video. So today what you're looking at here is the Trade Command Quant Engine that I've built, coded, and developed. A trading engine designed to trade binary options on the 5-minute and 15-minute time frame. So what you have here is the user interface of the engine here, and it utilizes various indicators here I've programmed into the bot, into the engine here, and it recommends trades for me. For instance, here, if you see here, XPD is Palladium. So it trades Palladium, it trades regular currency pairs, and it also trades Bitcoin and Ethereum here. Okay, so now we just received an Ethereum signal here. It's an Ethereum short on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is I have my pocket option trading account set up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking trades based on the recommendations of the signals from the quant engine. So let me pause the video and wait for a signal. Okay, so in order to use the quant engine, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reload the app and turn on the audio alert feature. Okay, so we have a Euro Aussie dollar buy alert on the 5-minute. So let's the Euro Aussie dollar. Here's the Euro Aussie dollar. All right, let's go ahead and take a buy trade here. So I just took a buy trade on the Euro Aussie dollar. This is the signal right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and wait for the expiration at the end of the 5 minutes with about 15-30 seconds left. Okay, so our trade, we have about 30 seconds left in the trade. The trade is about to expire here. So let's wait for the expiration. 15 seconds left. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so far 1 for 1 with the Trade Command Quant Engine. Let me reload the engine again here. Okay, Great British Pound Canadian Dollar on the 15-minute time frame. So let's go to Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. All right, it's telling us to take a 15-minute trade, so we need to set our trade expiry to 15 minutes and take a buy trade here. All right, so I just took a 15-minute buy. It says time frame 15 minutes on the Great British Pound Canadian Dollar. All right, so in the interest of time, I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in the trade. Oh, okay, so I'm back on the Great British Pound Canadian Dollar trade, the 15-minute trade that I took here. And this was the level that I took it at here. And currently it's in the money. So this trade looks like it's going to be a winner here. So we got about 10 seconds left. Let's wait for the expiry. Okay, so that trade was in the money. All right, so Trade Command Center, Trade Command Quant Engine working good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the engine here and let's reload it and see if we can find some more currency pairs to trade. Okay, we got Great British Pound, Canadian dollar, Euro Canadian dollar on the 5 minute. Let's go for the, okay, it's telling us take a 5 minute trade here. So I went ahead and took another trade on the Great British Pound, Canadian dollar here, 5 minute trade here according to the signal right here. Great British Pound, Canadian long. All right, so I'm going to pause this video and wait for the expiration with about 30 seconds left in the trade. Okay, so we have a few seconds left in the trade here, about 20 seconds left, and it's going to be close. 10 seconds. Wow, this was an incredible trade. Great signal here. Wow, and that trade was in the money. What happened was when I took the trade about at this level and it immediately uh, went down. The trade went against us here, but it slowly climbed back up and resulted in a winner here. Okay, so let me go back to the quant engine and recalibrate it. Okay, let's reload the engine and see if we can get another currency signal. Okay, it's giving us several signals here. Let's do, okay, Canadian dollar. Okay, let's do US Canadian dollar on the 15-minute time frame. So let's look for USD Canadian dollar. Okay, there it goes, US dollar Canadian dollar. And it's giving us a 15-minute long here. So let's get the trade timer set to 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And let's go ahead and take a buy trade. Okay, so I took a buy trade here. The 200 moving average is showing us a positive sloping upward uh, bullish trend here. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and wait till about 30 seconds left in this 15-minute trade and come back and get the results of this trade. Okay, so I'm back on the US dollar, Canadian dollar 15-minute buy trade I took at this level here. The Trade Command Quant Engine gave us the recommendation. So this trade is going to be another winner here. So let's wait for the expiry. 5 seconds left in the trade. So that trade was in the money. Okay, so unfortunately, I cannot continue to trade. Pocket option is keeping me from loading up my chart here. As you can see here, it's just, I've been trying to load it up for the past few minutes here. I guess I've been winning too much. So I can't continue to use the engine here. I've been having a tremendous win streak lately. So sometimes they'll say, hey, enough wins for today, and they'll actually block me from trading. All right, so in any event, here, if we go back to the engine here, it's still giving us some trade alerts here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in obtaining this trading engine, I'll have all the information in the video comments or the video description. If you want to purchase the engine. Also, I wanted to make note, you also want to just risk 1%, anywhere from 1 to 5% of your capital on these signals. Do not risk your whole account on a signal. Even though these signals are highly accurate, you will eventually get the signal will result in a loss. So you want to practice good money management, all right, when using any trading engine. All right. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Trade Command Quant Engine, Gus Schmidt.